Thank you. I'm so happy. Ito pala yung sasabi mo kahapon. Baka may dumating ngayon. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love it. Thank you. Happy anniversary lang, guys. I love you so much.